Hi Lock Junkie! Random Jim is busy renovating, so he can't show you his laboratory, and I took over his channel. But he locked me up. I want to win that big sticker bundle, so I'm going to pick this beautiful little alpha lock I got from Nigby to enter your giveaway, okay? Also, I made a new logo and stickers for Random Jim's channel, so if anyone is interested, let me know. I'm also working on some stuff to go with the pick for Jim's giveaway. It's a little more difficult to pick with these handcuffs, by the way. Almost got it open. Ka-chow! Here is the stuff I'm working on for the giveaway. Take it easy everyone, and thanks for watching. Now I have to go pick these cuffs.